Hello everyone. Today we are going to be learning about the flexitarian diet. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The flexitarian diet was designed to allow people to reap the benefits of vegetarianism while still enjoying animal products in moderation. As a result, the name of this diet is a mashup of the words flexible and vegetarian. Vegetarians abstain from meat and other animal foods, whereas vegans abstain entirely from meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and all animal-derived food products. Flexitarians are not vegetarians or vegans because they consume animal products. The flexitarian diet has no hard and fast rules or recommended calorie and macronutrient amounts. In fact, it's more of a way of life than a diet. Flexitarian diet is based on the following principles. Consume a lot of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Instead of animal protein, prioritize plant protein. Be adaptable and include meat and animal products on occasion. Consume foods that are as natural as possible. Reduce your intake of added sugars and sweets. The flexitarian diet is a popular choice for people looking to eat healthier because of its flexibility and emphasis on what to include rather than what to exclude. What are the benefits of eating a flexitarian diet? Lower risk of heart disease. Weight loss. Lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes or managing pre-diabetes. It may aid in the prevention of cancer. It's good for the environment because you're eating less meat and lowering your carbon footprint. How can I ensure that a flexitarian diet provides me with all of the nutrients I require? If you want to switch to a flexitarian diet, we recommend eating plant-based foods at every meal, getting at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, and eating whole grains. It is a good idea to include alternative sources of iron that may be lacking due to a low intake of red meat. Low sugar, iron-fortified breakfast cereals and dark green, leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage, kale, and broccoli are excellent sources. Because vitamin C increases iron absorption, a small glass of fruit juice or salad items like sweet peppers, lamb's lettuce, and tomatoes with meals is recommended. Is flexitarianism the answer to a more sustainable food system? Many people believe that the flexitarian diet is an effective way to combat obesity and reduce the environmental impact of today's food. While the individual impact may not be as great as switching to a plant-based or vegetarian diet, flexitarian diets are likely to be more accessible and thus may have a greater overall impact on improving the sustainability of our food as a society. Many of us may find it difficult to completely abstain from meat, but we can all try to limit our meat consumption and choose higher quality meat. In the end, the benefits to the planet would outweigh our personal losses. Are you planning to try and eat less meat in future? Or are you already a flexitarian? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it for today everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot about the flexitarian diet. See you guys tomorrow with another exciting, health tip video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive instant updates on our videos.